The other day I had an excellent question about whether this press can use commercially available dies. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 1-inch die, which is a standard for some commercial dies, and show you what it does with a 1-inch disc of copper and the urethane. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take a 1-inch disc of steel and we are going to cut into it what we would like to stamp. So now that we have a simple die done, let's talk about stamping it. So to stamp it, you first use a pusher to be able to push into the urethane, and there is a housing for the urethane so that it can't go anywhere except for down. So the first thing you do is you put your die in, then you put your copper disc in, then you put the piece of urethane on top of that, which will be squished into it. And then in order to protect the urethane and make it an even push, you put a steel puck on top of that. And then you pull the lever and add 5 tons of force. I like to use the screw on the bottom to get that as tight as possible before I push it so I can get the full 5 tons into it. And there you go. That is what it stamps. I do want to stress that this will not replace a 20-ton or 50-ton press, but you can do a lot with 5 tons, and that is what it will do with a 1-inch die. If you're interested in more information about the press, please check out MikeEdelmanArt.com.